grabbed me!
What?
Now get out of here!
Take him in. Take him.
No, you're gonna go in.
Take him.
Drunk again.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In November of 2023, Sergeant William Major of the Bradley Beach Police Department was supervising a DUI investigation. His jacket had reflective lettering on the back that was peeling off, rendering the sergeant's uniform out of department guidelines. While medics on scene assess the driver of the DUI collision, Chief Leonard Guida appears on scene and pulls Sergeant Major to the side to address the violation.
What is it? The RMA?
I am not the police, okay? I came here with the ambulance. I want to make sure you're okay.
I don't know what he's thinking.
I don't know. I'm asking you if he's RMA or not.
Oh, yeah, no.
What?
Yeah.
I get that. I'm not saying you aren't. I just want to make sure your head is
giving them
okay.
the fuck-
You have
he's
no
giving them
other
problems.
injuries that we need to be aware of.
I can't get any.
Can you tell me your first name at least?
First of all, why do you got a jacket on that's not fit to be worn? What's on the back of it?
What do you mean?
Look, gonna tell me what's on the back of it.
Oh, they washed off.
Yeah, then get rid of it.
Okay.
That's ridiculous.
Okay.
You're a sergeant, for God's sake.
Okay, Chief. Let me work this DWI, okay?
Come over here.
Chief, I'm on a DWI.
Over here.
Chief, I'm on a DWI.
Get over here.
I'm on a DWI.
After returning to the scene, the chief attempts to remove Sergeant Major again, grabbing him and pulling him by his arm.
Chief, I'm working. I don't have time to argue about a jacket, okay?
Get over here.
Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. You have a problem? You grabbed me.
What?
Now get out of here before you get a problem. Okay?
over here.
Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. Don't you fucking touch me. You have a problem? You grabbed me.
What?
Now get out of here before you get a problem.
Take him in. Take him
No,
in.
you're gonna go in.
Take him in.
Drunk again. Whose keys are these?
They're mine.
Get out of here.
No.
Chief, get out of here or you're gonna get locked up.
No, you...
Chief, you're gonna get locked up. You grabbed me. I asked you 3 times to leave me alone. You're obstructing my DWI.
Billy, come over here.
Let him go.
That's the first thing. Billy,
I'm trying to get away
shut
from
up.
everybody.
Shut up, because you're in trouble now. Stop,
I'm not
please,
in
stop.
trouble.
Stop,
I'm not in
stop,
trouble.
stop.
You're gonna be in trouble.
Stop,
You're gonna be in
Billy,
trouble.
Billy.
Chief, I'm working on
I'm listening to you.
DWI.
I'm listening to you.
Okay.
Shut up.
No.
You're in trouble because this is the first thing. First of all, I was about to say to you, you stupid. I was about to say to you, what do you need OEM for?
You're embarrassing me in front of the men about the jacket.
No. That's neither here nor there.
Okay.
That's neither here nor there. Now we got a real problem, Billy.
Yeah, we do.
I know.
We do.
All right, you're gonna have to go inside.
No, how about we do
No.
this?
How
about we go inside?
Billy, you're gonna have to go inside right now with me. You're gonna have to go inside and
We're
there's
in a
gonna
serious collision.
Billy, you're not doing anything when I'm on the scene. Okay? You should know better than this, my friend.
No.
Listen to me.
Grab me.
No, I said
You were out
come
of
over
line.
here.
You were out of line. You grabbed me. It's on video.
Billy,
It's on video. I'm not going to argue with it. I have a crash
Billy,
to work.
Billy,
I have a job
Billy,
to do.
You're
okay?
relieved. Billy, you're relieved.
Okay.
You're
I'll
relieved.
go home.
No. Billy, you have to understand something. You're relieved. Billy, you're relieved. Go home in the headquarters and wait for me.
After my crash.
No, Billy, you're relieved.
I have
Billy.
officers here.
Billy.
Right here. They could get waffled because my car is
Billy.
blocking it.
Billy, you're relieved.
No, Chief.
No, Billy. Please, Billy, don't. You're suspended, Billy.
I'm
You're
suspended?
Yes.
Okay. Then I'm suspended. I'm going home.
Yes. Billy, come here.
I'm going home. We can't talk. I'm suspended.
No.
No, I'm suspended. I'm
You're
going
to headquarters
home.
and you're going to wait for me there.
No, I'm not. I'm suspended.
I'm going
home.
You're going to go in the headquarters and wait for me there.
Let me work my crash. This is why I'm here.
Billy, you're suspended.
All right, if I'm suspended, then I'm not going to wait inside. Nothing more to say.
No, Billy. You have to. Let me explain to you. Billy, you're suspended.
Okay.
All right. Billy,
Yes.
right now.
Okay.
Wait for me in there. That's an order.
Can you do me a favor? Can you put your car where my car is so our officers and first aid don't get run over, please?
I got you.
Thank you.
Billy suspended. See what happened there?
Yes, Chief.
What happened?
There's some type of exchange between you and Sergeant Major.
Well, we're going to talk about that later. Everybody's got that. Billy's suspended. You really got this. What do you got here? What do you have?
We're trying to figure that out, Chief.
Okay. Go on, Billy. Come on.
Hi, I'll meet you in there.
Yes, you're going to meet me in there. Go and put the dog in right now.
There's nowhere to put her. She's going to ruin things.
Okay, we'll leave her in there. Go in.
I'm down. I got people on the road. I want to make sure they're safe. I want to run you over, so watch out.
No. Come on. Go ahead. You know I love you. Come on.
What? What's wrong with you?
Stop. Billy.
How would you do that to me?
Stop. Billy. Stop. You got enough problems already. Please.
Okay.
Not only are the chief's actions alleged to be actual, non-consensual contact, possibly rising to assault and battery, he is also alleged to be drunk on the job. Again.
Take him out. Take him.
No, you're going to go in.
Take him.
Drunk again.
But why the chief's alleged previous states of inebriation weren't reported speaks to the corruption symbolized by the thin blue line, where officers are terrified to report misconduct of their supervisors for fear of retaliation. The question now is, how many times has this happened?
Okay? Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me.
Not only that, the chief could potentially face charges of official misconduct. And furthermore, in most states it is unlawful to be in the possession of a firearm while under the effects of alcohol. Had the chief been a civilian and grabbed an officer while carrying a weapon, let me know in the comments what you think would have happened. Now, whatever your answer is, it definitely didn't happen here. Instead, the other officers on scene stood around looking dumbfounded, reluctant to do their job, the right thing, when the suspect of several possible crimes is their boss.
Chief, you're going to get locked up. You grabbed me. I asked you 3 times to leave me alone. You're obstructing my DWI.
Sergeant Major has since returned to his job, but the chief wasn't suspended for nearly a month after the incident. He currently remains suspended, but continues to be paid by your tax dollars. His tax-funded free vacation is closing in on 3 months now. The Bradley Beach mayor says that he expects to release an update early next week, though he's had nearly 4 months to work it out. We're told that the pending punishments will resolve this to our satisfaction, but we won't hold our breath. Let me know in the comment section below what you think should happen to the chief. And if you like these investigations, be sure to check out another one linked on screen.